Hello and welcome to Bima's Crafty Corner. This is Els coming to you. I'm bringing you a Tuesday morning haul. I picked up a few things. There was a little bit more in the store, but not a whole lot of new. So let's go ahead and take a look at what we got. I got some super tight Fabri-Tac glue. Number on that is 2067743. I picked up this little jar here from Recollections, and this was $3.99, but it was on clearance, and it's just filled with all kinds of little bits and pieces and things, so I will probably be using those in my junk journals. They had some Disneys. This is some dimensional here. This was $1.99. The number is 2105812. And those are just adorable little Finding Nemo stickers. The big thing was these Bo Bunny chipboards and wood shapes. This one here, 20 pieces of hearts. Looks like it's all hearts. 2073201 for $2.99. And this is the chipboard, hearts and butterflies. The number on the hearts was 2093062, and on the butterflies is 2073197, and they were $1.99 each. And this chipboard, which is tags, and it looks like there's two of each design. 2073198 for $1.99. I picked up some Heidi Swapp enamel embellishments for $1.49. The number on these 2097153. And then I found this little stamp from Crafter's Companion. I'm so crafty, I sweat glitter. Number on this one 2076332. I found this frozen pad and some decor that goes with it. The sticker is $1.19. And let's see. I'm thinking it's just Elsa, but let's take a look. Yep, just Elsa on that one. Very dimensional. $1.19, number is 2105817. My granddaughter does pocket swaps, so we got that for her. And then the pad, 211593 for $3.99. 36 sheets. This is double-sided, so we'll take a quick peek. There's Olaf. A little bit of Anna in there. And then these Tim Holtz ideologies. Sorry, my mouth is not working right now. These are salvage stickers. There's 2 pages in here of like license plates. And these are all individual stickers. And then 2 pages of different states. And then this page, which is just kind of road signs. And I liked it, and so I picked up a couple of those. Now, for those of you that are keeping count, these 2 items right here are going to be going into my first giveaway, which is going to be 100 subscribers. So as soon as I get to 100 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. This is 2 of the items that will be going into the giveaway. So hopefully it won't be too long before we get there. At any rate, you guys know the drill. Subscribe, like, ring the bell. If you don't, that's okay. I appreciate you being here today. And let's see. Until I see you the next time, bye-bye.